this experiment, we shall investigate the conservation of momentum using an inelastic collision. For this experiment, we require an air pump connected to an air track. We shall use two gliders with a velcro to stick together, and we also use a light gate and a timer 1 to calculate velocity before collision, and the light gate and timer 2 to calculate the velocity after collision. Before we start the experiment, we measure the mass of glider 1, and then we measure the mass of glider 2 using a weighing scales. Then we switch on the air pump and gently push glider 1 to collide with glider 2. Then we read time 1 to be used to measure and calculate the velocity before collision, and also we measure time 2 to be used to calculate the velocity after the collision. We repeat the experiment by changing the mass of glider 2. We add some more weights on glider 2. We reset both timers. Prepare the gliders, glider 1 and glider 2. We switch on the pump and gently push glider 1 to collide with glider 2. Then we read again time 1 and we read time 2. We continue to repeat the experiment to obtain in total a set of 5 different readings. We record all the data in a table, and using the equation velocity is distance on time, we can calculate the velocity before and after collision. We then also calculate the momentum by using the equation momentum is the product of mass and velocity. Then we draw a graph of momentum before versus momentum after, and although it's a cluster of points, if we draw the best straight line, it gives us a gradient very close to 1, and this will be in line with the theory.